I'm going to say it about 1,000 times. Get as much information as you can up front, because it saves so much time. Like, they get a better audiobook faster if you just talk to me for 30 minutes, before we even get started.
Mm-hmm. And just a great app that I don't know if everybody's aware of, and I mentioned it earlier, but Fathom is a great free software that you can use. It records your video meetings, and then it gives you like a summary and takeaway points and a full transcript. So once a conversation is done via Zoom, and it integrates with Zoom, you could just send the link to the author after it's done, and it has everything that you discussed, every like key point for every character, and again the whole transcript, so you could both reference that at any time instead of having to take notes.
I was saying, yeah, that's perfect, because right now I'm still just typing away, taking notes. So
not only that, but if somebody says, well, you never said that Rosie sounded this way, and then you can go back and go, oh yeah, we kind of talked about that, So you don't forget anything.